चिल्ड्रन, मैं सुजीत, क्लास 9th, पॉलिनोमियल चैप्टर्स, उसका एक पार्ट algebraic identities. We had a lot of discussions of the topics. Most of the topics it was covered in the last few videos. If you will subscribe, you will have all the videos what it is done earlier. Now, that's very important points, although while it was discussed about the topics, concepts all are very important because they all have linked, they all have connections, and after knowing the concepts it is normally applied in day-to-day life. So here, algebraic identities is something new. The very first, as in my all videos and whenever I am teaching, I always try to give you first the introduction, the definition, the concepts. So the topic is algebraic identities. So what in fact it is? An algebraic identities is an algebraic equation that is true for all values of the variables occurring in it. It's simply, if I write few variables, few algebraic identities which you are used to do in class 8th. If I am writing here x plus y whole square, this is x whole square plus y whole square plus twice xy. So this is saying that what is exactly the meaning of this? The meaning of this an algebraic identities is an algebraic equation. So it would have a sign of is equals to algebraic equation that is true for all values. Suppose this x plus y, instead of this anything, it would be in this form, x plus y whole square. This what is the exactly meaning of this? The meaning of this is x plus y in one bracket and x plus y in another bracket. If you will multiply this polynomial, one polynomial with another polynomial, this will become as a result x whole square plus y whole square plus 2xy. So this says that suppose once we know the identities, this algebraic identities, we don't have to multiply it, we can write down directly this result. So this algebraic identities will help you to do the question in very less time. One thing, and second thing, let me speak once you know about this algebraic identities and will write all the possible algebraic identities which would be used here in the class 9th, and you definitely will use to do the questions of exercise 2.5. So this is in both the way. What is the both the way? This is something just I am talking about first about this identities, this a plus b whole square or x plus y whole square. This was taught you in class 8th or in class 7th, how this becomes x whole square plus y whole square plus 2xy. So dear children, this will not only help you these identities to multiply you, to write directly the result, this also will help you to factorize. Yes, if something it is given in this format, you can write in this format, and something it is given in this format, you can write in this format. So let's begin with algebraic identities. Let me write in the sequence and I'll suggest you. Although I'm just telling you algebraic identities, it is given in various books, but yes, please, I'm just following here the pattern and it will help you to understand. So that's why I just recommend you to write down the algebraic identities. X plus y whole square, this is x whole square plus y whole square plus 2 into x into y. Next one is x minus y whole square, it gives you x square plus y square minus 2 into x into y. This is, next I am writing x plus y into x minus y, x whole square minus y whole square. These three identities you all would have studied earlier. Let me begin with, yes, before this we have x plus a in one bracket and x plus b in another bracket. This gives you x whole square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is something about the square. Probably you would not have anything else. Now I'm just starting with cubing part. X plus y whole cube. This gives you x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. Then we have x minus y whole cube. This is x cube minus y cube minus 3xy. Here it gives you x minus y. I am writing something more, that is x plus y in one bracket and x square minus xy plus y square. This is whole square. Please keep it in the mind. You all must understand the difference between the square and the whole square. This is giving you x cube minus y cube. I am writing one more, x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. This gives you x cube plus y cube. Few more identities being left here which would be used, but you know what is the sense, why I said you, why I am recommending you to write this identities in this way. What is, do you know something special in this way, to write in this way? Yes, dear children, I have a motto to explain you to write this algebraic identities. If you will see very carefully, in the left hand side, every terms will be seen in the form of factorization. Yes, x plus y whole square, it could be written in x plus y in one bracket and x plus y in another bracket. Yes, it has a result, x whole square plus y whole square plus 2xy. What I want to explain you, what I want to say you, and what it is all about, it is given the questions in exercise 2.5. This is basically on this base. Once you understand, see, questions will be given either in this format, so answer will become in this format, and so if question it would be given, expand 2x plus 3y whole square, 2x minus 3y whole square, or 2x plus 3y in one bracket, 2x minus 3y in one bracket. So the answer will be in this way. But if you do it in the factorize, if it has been told you to do the factorization, so question would be given in this format, in this format, in this format, in this format, in this format. So what is the challenge here in exercise 2.5? The very first thing, you all should have on the tips of your tongues this all identities for doing the questions of exercise 2.5. Again, I am telling you what the pattern I have been followed here. You see in the left hand side here, just see x plus a in one bracket, x plus b in another bracket. This is in the form of factorization. Result is x whole square plus a plus b into x plus ab. This is the result. X plus y whole cube, x plus y in one bracket, x plus y in another bracket, x plus y in another bracket. If you will multiply, you will have result in this way. In this way. You don't need now multiply. But yes, what is the challenging? If the question it is given in this way, how will convert in this way? This is called the factorization. So you need to understand, and hopefully what I want to say you all will be convinced, you all will be motivated. What I want to say you all, it's very very important to understand. That's why I have written identities for you, and I suggest you, whenever you write down all the identities, it's my suggestion, it's my advice, make a chart and paste it in your study room, because it would be not only required for class 9 for doing exercise 2.5. These are a lot of basic informations that you all need to feed for a long time. And for how will you retain it for a long time, this is only the way to make the chart, to write down all the identities, and you need to understand what is the uses of the identities. It will help you to expand as well as it will help you to. So I hopefully, if you all could be noted on all this, it was written x plus y in one bracket. This is in fact the identities x cube minus y cube. So I have here followed the pattern, and I suggest you the same. That will help you to understand. Few more we have that we need to write down, that I'm just writing. Hopefully you all would have noted down this all identities, and that's why I told you to note down along with me, because I try to give you one pattern. Now I'm just writing here the few more identities and then we'll start with exercise 2.5. So what else we have left here with the identities that would be used? One is x plus y plus z whole square. So this result is x square y square plus z square plus twice xy plus twice yz plus twice zx. What else? What else? I think one is x plus y plus z in one bracket, x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Yes, this has x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is also one more identities, and this nothing I need to explain you. If you will multiply x plus y plus z in one bracket along with x plus y plus z in another bracket, you will have a result in this way. If you will multiply this to this, you will have a result in this way. So these are the identities that you will use while you will be doing the questions in exercise 2.5. So these are all things. In every case I have written in factorization form in the left hand side and in the term form in the right hand side. So I can finish it, and now we'll start with exercise 2.5 in the next video. Thank you.